Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to connect granny squares, okay, using this one is the first method, which is very nice. You will be doing like a slip stitch or something, okay, but then it will show here. Okay, so for tutorial purposes, okay, I'm going to use different color, okay, to show you guys what it looks like, okay, and then I'm going to show you again what it looks like with the same color. Okay, so grab your yarn, okay, and in here we are going to grab from the right side, and okay, so what we're going to do here is grabbing from, you know, like this one is the middle. Okay, so I'm going to poke my yarn there, and then in the middle in this side as well. And then now we're going to, if you want to create a slip knot for that, you can. Okay, so just pull that through, and then now insert that over there, and we're going to pull that through. Okay, and we're going to chain one there, and then what will gonna happen is you're going to put this yarn in the middle, okay, while you're doing the right and the left. Okay, so we are going to do the next one, which is this one here, and then you put your yarn underneath it, okay, and we're going to do one to the other side. And what you are going to do now is pull this and pull through and pull through. Okay, so we're going to do in the other side. Okay, just the one stitch that is coming out here, and this one here as well. Okay, so there's a V stitch here, so there's a V stitch. We're just going to take this one that is farther from us, okay, and the same as this one. Okay, so we insert into the right side first, and then go to the left side and pull through and pull through. Okay, so now it shows like that. That is a single crochet, and then we're going to the next, insert and insert here, and pull through and pull through, and into the next, and into the next. Okay, you just need to make sure that you get every yarn, and you're going to pull through. So this is how it looks when you do have it. So if it is the same color, it just blend and it's very pretty, okay, because it's flat. So we're going to continue this, and just doing one from the right and one from the left, and pull through the yarn that you're holding and pull through. Okay, then continue doing it. So just one from this side and one from the left side and pull through. So once you get hang of it, it is easy, but to start it's a little bit hard to begin, but everything will go smooth when you're practicing it. Okay, so just like that, and just continue. Just make sure that your yarn is underneath, okay, because it's there, so you need to go on top of it and then go grab the other side. Okay, so your yarn is underneath. Okay, so at the back is looks like this, and on the top it looks like this. And now you just have to pull through and continue and continue. You make sure that you're in the same yarn, okay, the stitching, okay, that you don't skip. So this is how it looks like that. Okay, so insert here and insert into the next and pull through your yarn and go to the right first and to the left and pull through. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so our back is looks like that. Okay, so it is very nice. Okay, so if you want this to come out in the other side, you need to do facing this way. So you're going to start here and do there, so this will show at the back. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to get, okay, I'm just going to get this through, okay, until to the end, and I'm going to do another one with the same color. Okay, so just make sure you don't skip. Okay, and the yarn, you're grabbing all the yarn. Okay, so grabbing that as well, and to the next. It will be hard as well when your stitching is tight, so it's kind of hard to pull as well. But once you started, it's getting better. Okay, then from the right and pick up the left, and then grab your yarn and pull through. Okay, from the right and the left, and pick up your yarn and pull through. Okay, so from the right and to the left, pick up your yarn and pull through. And from the right and to the left and pull through. Okay, so this is how it looks like. That is really pretty. Okay, so as I said, the back looks like that, And if you want this to come out in the other side, you can do that as well. Okay, you just have to go to the other side. You have to work on the other side. Okay, so the next video I'm going to show you how to do that, but this one, okay, I'm going to show you with the same color how it looks like. Okay guys, so I have my same color yarn. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the same as what we did before. We're going to create a slip knot. Okay, and we're going to start here. So grabbing the middle part from the right side to the left side and inserting our yarn. Okay, and pull through and pull through, and chain one. And from here, okay, to start, it is not easy. Okay, so you just have to go here and grab the next loop. Okay, and you need to put this and underneath. Okay, and then you need to go to the left side and grabbing one strand of yarn, and you're going to pull through and pull through. Okay, then after that we're going to the right and going to the left, and your yarn is underneath. Okay, grab this yarn over here, and once you have that, you have to hold this and yarn over and pull through. And the same, grab the next one and grab the next one and the other side and yarn over and pull through 3. So on the right side, going to the left side and yarn over and pull through 3. The right side. Okay, so sometimes the stitches is tight. Okay, make sure that you don't skip, because if you skip, and then it's not going to be balanced. Okay, and then to the left and yarn over, pull through 3, and going to the next and to the left and yarn over, pull through 3, and insert into the right and into the left and yarn over, pull through 3, and to the right, to the left and yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the same yarn. Okay, so as you can see, it is flat, that you will never notice. Okay, so but if you want like a border or something, you use different color. But if you want to blend the color, you need to use the same color. Okay, so just continue. Okay, grabbing from the right, left, and then yarn over, pull through, grabbing from the right and then left and then pull through, grabbing from the right and then left and pull through. Okay, so it is easy once you started. It's just to start is because the pieces is not fix, so you struggle. But as I mentioned, once you pass that stage, just need to make sure that you grab from the right and then left, and then yarn will pull through. Okay, so from the right and then left, and yarn will pull through. Okay, so make sure that your yarn is always underneath. Okay, so you can't do at the top, because it will go everywhere. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I'm going to continue this as well until to the end. Okay, so you see, sometimes when the yarn is tight, and then it's hard to pick up. Okay, pick up, and then yarn over, pull through all three, and then pick up. Okay, so all you need is just one strand, and one from the other side as well, and yarn will pull through all three. Okay, so, and you will be just doing that over and over. Okay, so then yarn will pull through three, insert into the other side, yarn will pull through three, insert, pull through, insert, and pull up the yarn. Okay, and this is our middle part. I messed it up. Okay, so then you just have to chain one to finish. Okay, and you can tighten it up. Okay, so this is how it looks like, how it blends. Okay, that you can't see. Okay, it's just perfect. It's really nice. Okay, so at the back is that how it looks like. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching. Hopefully you like this video guys, and if you do, please smash that like button, and please share our videos as well, so other people can see. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so you get notified every time I will post a new video. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.